Hello, everyone. We got King Kong, not just King Kong or Kong. We got Giant Kong with the BEAST glove, the Beast glove, Thanos glove. He's gonna snap away and take over, take over the MonsterVerse. He's gonna take down some people. This is the Giant King Kong. I got this today with my other King Kongs. Okay, I'm Godzillas and everything. This is by Playmates and Legendary. If you see here, Playmates, Legendary, 4 Plus, and Toho. Well, this is actually American creature, not really a Toho, but I think they might let him have it. I'm kind of hoping. I want another King Kong versus Godzilla style movie, upgraded one like -0. I wish they just go through -0. I wish they just go through and remake the whole set, but more darker tone like -1 was. Anyways, we're not talking about -1 today. We'll soon one day will. This is the MonsterVerse Kong. We're unboxing this giant creature of Skull Island. I like this one too. You actually can see, I'm going to give you a close here. You can see the scratch marks of King Kong versus Godzilla, what Godzilla did to him. He's even older and gray, kind of like a silverback. Let's see what the side over here looks like. Of course, like the other ones, it has the Godzilla and Kong. The back end, it is pretty cool, guys. Look at that. Look at his chest all scratched up there with the beast glove. You can put some stones right there. It says Kong. Godzilla and Kong, the new empire. Godzilla and Kong return in an all-new adventure, pitting the mighty Kong and the fearsome Godzilla against a colossal, undiscovered threat hitting within our own planet, challenging the very existence of their existence in our own. Look at him, he's roaring away there. I can't wait to do some toy photography. All this we have opened the Scar King, Giant Scar King, and Giant Godzilla. They're sitting over there watching TV. We got the Cloverfield playing on right now. And we're unboxing Kong. The other side has the crystals on it. This I'm keeping the boxes too. I'm folding up because I like the background. I'm going to try to set something up because it's getting winter. It's winter time now after Christmas, and I really don't want to do too much outside as much as I can. Try to do it inside with my little box here. As you can see, I have everything, so I can't wait to put these in here. Okay, guys, so again, like the other ones, they got that fabric stuff here. We got some on his legs, his arms, and not too bad here, looks like. Okay, we're going to start his arms. I got my trusty old scissors here. Let's see what we can get this open real fast. This one's a little tough. First one down. Second one was easier. Let's go to the beast glove side. I actually almost got the Kong and Godzilla one at Target. They had transfer. I got the Rodan because I did like the Rodan for the deal. I seen it. I did the Kong versus Rodan Christmas special. I was gonna finish up more. I ran out of time to do more Christmas shopping and stuff. There we go. We got one arm of Kong free, and the second one is now free. Now Kong is now on attack. Alright, we got the beast glove going on here. Kong is ready to bust out there like the 1930s Kong. Look at him, folks. He is ready to come out of there. Okay, so we got another one that will move Kong's arms up here. Let's go ahead and raise him up. There you go, Kong. I'm going to try to raise you guys up too because I'll just now see his face is cut off. Let's see, we're going to try to get right here in the corner here, if you guys can see. There we go, free his hip. There we go. Wait. No, did not cut. Sometimes it does. Oh, there it goes. Kong's. The only thing now is Kong's feet. Let's push you guys down here. Okay. Now let's see if we can get his feet here. Let's see if I get a good grip. Kong's feet's actually bigger than Scar King's, looks like. I got a pair of that soon. Here, this one wrapped pretty good here. I gotta get a better cut. There we go. Get one part cut. Kong. Now, Kong, you gotta help me out here, buddy. Okay, 1 foot is free. 1 foot is free, and Kong's really trying to escape here. He's trying to fall over here. I'm trying not to let him. King Kong. Come on. So it looks like I might, huh? No, Kong? Looks like we're gonna try to put over here. Okay. I really do like to see the Cloverfield into the MonsterVerse. The monster. That'd be really cool. I know it'll never happen or whatnot. If I had lots and lots of money, let's see. I'm going to try to get this here. You guys can see here. I'll make you guys see here. I had a lot of money. I would make them into the same universe here. This one's. There we go. I think I got it. All right, Kong. Let's see if you're free. Oh, Kong is free. Woohoo! Kong, go over there for a second. There's the box, guys. It's easy to throw that away. I am keeping the boxes. I'm folding them up. So we're going to put this over here on the side now. Let's see the star for the show here. See, also, you can see the bottom of this one here. Let's take a look at it. There is a barcode, guys. And you'll see if you have any at your place. I met some nice people on YouTube doing Kong stuff and Godzilla stuff. Oh, that was pretty cool. Okay, we're going to raise his arms back down here because he is a little bit too tall for my little shadow box. And I'll see if I can get him standing up here. Then I'm going to... It's kind of difficulty with this. There we go. Oh, here it actually stands. Huh. The King stands. Look at him, guys. There's the almighty Kong. He looks a little gray. Looks a little old. But I think Kong can still do some damage. What do you guys think? Looks like he moves around. Let's see if I can... I'm going to get hit on his feet here a little bit. Raise you guys up a tad bit more. Since we've seen his feet. We're looking to the rest of it. Kong moves around pretty good. His head moves. His glove. I wish his hands moved though, but it doesn't. Looks like they can hold on to something like a brick. Ah, there's a gear there. See, he turns. It's a little tight because it's still new. He's got to kind of work it in a little bit there. And right there's his back. Look how hairy he got. He's hairy all the way down to his head and his butt. There's his feet. His feet is also hollow. And there's his side here. He moves around a lot, so he moves a little bit there. His hand, I wonder if his hand moves a little bit. It's still a fairly new toy, so it's going to take a little while to get all the stuff out of there. His head is shake, and you can turn around, stuff like that. Sorry for the background noises. The monsters are attacking the humans in New York. And Kong's ready to attack. Look at him. He's just ready to look how mad he looks. He's ready to go. He is ready. This is King Kong or Kong. In King Kong, Godzilla X Kong, the new empire, and he's ready to challenge the Scar King. He is set, locked, and ready to go. He's ready to stand up there. See that? The almighty Kong. Almighty Kong, look at him. Let's check his back out, guys. There's his side. He is ready to do some damage. Look at him, the almighty Kong. This is the giant Kong. Yeah, guys, let's check out his face there. Look at his eyes. I like his details in the eyes and teeth. The teeth really painted really, really good. I don't know how good this phone is doing, but I actually like this Kong. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Kong was going to go chill out, and now I'm going to open some more boxes. See you guys.